Are you on the hunt for a projector that can transform your living room into a personal theater without burning a hole in your pocket? Today, we're exploring the Zebronics Pixaplay 54 LED projector, a device that's got everyone talking. So let's dive in. Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Wisdom Headquarters. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe and like button for the latest tech reviews that help you make the right choice. Today, we're reviewing the Zebronics Pixaplay 54 projector, a compact and feature-packed projector that's designed to bring your entertainment experience to the next level. But is it worth your money? Let's find out. Let's start with the basics. The Zebronics Pixaplay 54 boasts a native resolution of 1280 by 720 HD, but it supports up to 1080p content, which is impressive at this price point. With 3,800 lumens of brightness and a contrast ratio of 1000 to 1, you can expect decent picture quality even in moderately lit rooms. The projector's LED technology ensures a lamp lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, so you won't have to worry about replacements anytime soon. It has 8GB internal storage and 1GB RAM. When it comes to the picture quality, most users are pleased with the performance, especially in darker rooms. However, some reviews mention that the colors could be a bit more vibrant, and the brightness might not be enough for well-lit environments. Also, while the 720p resolution is fine for casual viewing, those used to full 1080p or 4K might find it lacking in sharpness. So, is the Zebronics Pixaplay 54 projector the right choice for you? Here's a quick rundown of the pros and cons. 1. Affordable and feature-rich. 2. Native 720p resolution with 1080p support. 3. Built-in Android 9.0 with app support. 4. Multiple connectivity options and easy setup. 5. Compact and portable design. 6. AI auto keystone correction ensures precise image alignment on various screen sizes. Like any other tech, this has following drawbacks. 1. Built-in speakers are average, external speakers recommended. 2. Colors and brightness might not impress in well-lit rooms. 3. 720p resolution may not satisfy 1080p or 4K enthusiasts. Overall, the Zebronics Pixaplay 54 is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their entertainment setup on a budget. It's perfect for movie nights, casual gaming, or even presentations. If you're ready to make the leap into the world of projectors without spending a fortune, this could be the one for you. Be sure to check the link in the description to grab yours today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching.